इंस्टा पे लाइव हो? I will wait for some more people to join, and then we'll show you the entire collection. Stay tuned.
People have joined. Chalo. Hi guys, this is Chandrakanta. She's my colleague. Hi. This is the first time live we are going from Luxurian World. For all those who don't know about Luxurian World, we are India's first luxury portal, showcasing all the different art forms, right from Banarasi to Kanjivaram to Chanderi to Kashmiri, you name it and we have it, all under one roof. We promote artisans across India. We have Kantha work with us, we have Parsi embroidery, we have Kashmiri embroidery. To talk about handloom sector, we have saris which takes right from 1 to 2 months and goes up to patola saris which takes approximately 6 months in weaving one sari. And we have more than thousands of artisans working with us across India. This is the first live show and this is the virtual. We are showing you some of the collection, maybe one or two in each art form, just to get an idea what kind of collection we deal with. We'll start off with this. These are the Banarasi saris. It comes out with a nice tassels. Like if I take this sari, it's a Banarasi Katan silk sari with the colorful tassels. It's a short color. We call it Dhoop Chhaw also. And there are birds in it. The size of the price range starts from 10,000, it goes up to 20, 30,000, depending on the art, the kind of weaving techniques what we use. Like if you see this, it's again a katan silk, meenakari work which is there, silver and golden zari, so we call it Sona Rupa with the nice tassels. Now see this one. It's the patola border which is there in the sari and patola pallu. This is again a unique piece. It's again a Dupchon, pure Katan silk sari. This is the Paitani border if you see. Different meenakari and it's completely a kadwa work. Like if you see the backside, there are no loose threads which are there. It comes with the contrast blouse piece of the same cream color. This is again a beautiful piece. It's a meenakari sari. If you're looking forward some low range saris in Banarasi, and now since the Karwa Chauth is coming, it's the ideal thing which you can go for. It's a raw silk Banarasi sari with the nice tassels, all ready to be shipped. Check this one. This is the organza sari with a double shade. I just want to show you one or two Georgette saris which we have. Again, this also Sona Rupa Zari is there.
Someone is asking about the price range.
See, if you talk about these Georgette saris, these are 21,500. And since we are going virtual first time, it's flat 10% off. These we have digital print Pura organza sari. This is again a brush dye sari, a Banarasi brush dye. Also, one thing you can see all the collection on luxurianworld.com. Now let's move to another section where we have ready-made blouses also made of pure silk, Banarasi brocade, or designer blouses. This we have a singlet top. This is one of my favorite section, which is hand embroidered Parsi Gara. The richness of the sari you can feel. People love
So
to go
beautiful.
for all the handloom lovers or people who love the art forms. They would like to have at least one Parsi Gara in their wardrobe. It's on pure crepe. We have in two fabrics. One is crepe, one is Georgette. Like this one is crepe. Then we have another one which is a less work. That's again in crepe.
Parsi Dara, right?
Yeah, Parsi Gara.
Can you describe some two lines about the Parsi Dara art form?
See, it's a very niche community called Parsi who are doing this hand embroidery work. This is at the verge of finishing, so they are really expensive. Like embroidery, you get Kashmiri sari also, you get kantha work also, you get fulkari work also. They starts from 5-7,000 goes up to 10-12,000 maximum. But the moment you talk about Parsi Gara, they start from 25,000 goes up to 1 lakh depending on the kind of work which is there. This is a masterpiece. Now, what is the uniqueness? It's a fusion, we can say fusion of art form. It's a chikankari sari. Then they have done Parsi work in it. And then they have done a French knot work. If you go see the intricacy of work, all the sari comes with the proper finishing at the back side. So we make sure that the threads doesn't get stick to your bangles or the jewelry you're wearing. So we have this huge collection of all Parsi embroidery which are ready to be shipped. Black and blue with the multicolor is something which people usually would like to go for. See this one.
This is so beautiful. Look at the work. Look at the combinations. Really beautiful.
Check this out. The maroon. And if you like pastel shades, then this is one which is very much.
Everybody loves pastel shades nowadays.
Yeah.
They look so classy.
If you want a single tone. Now let's move to the next section, which are kantha work, Ari embroidery. This is the Ari embroidery sari, which is a Kashmiri work. As I said earlier, we are just showcasing few items here just to get you an idea what kind of collection we deal in. You can check our website luxurianworld.com where we have more than thousands of sari which have been exhibited. This is a Kashmir. It's a chicken curry.
Chicken curry sari.
Yeah, it's a chicken curry sari on a pure Georgette with a sequence work. Check these out. These are fulkari saris. We get on different fabric, like this is on kota. We get on chanderi silk then. We also have on Georgette. Like see this one with the vibrant color. It's on Georgette.
Isn't it beautiful? So pretty. Look at the shades,
Yeah.
colors. Look at
This one, it's called reverse kantha work. Like when I talk about reverse kantha, so usually the diagram which they made, the figures are kept empty and the other area is being filled. So that's what it's reverse kantha. Like if you see the blue base is there, it's the parrot, and the outside they have filled it.
Yes, I can see the parrot.
Yeah. Now we'll go to the next segment. Dupattas I'll show you after some time. Let's move here. Now these are beautiful Chanderi saris. Nowadays Chanderi are too much in trend. You see any celebrity, they are wearing Chanderi saris. They love to. One reason is that the price when compared to Banarasi is lesser. They are not very heavy. So it's not like when we talk about Banarasi, it has to be only some special occasion where you can wear the Banarasi Katan silk or Banarasi silk sari. Where in Chanderi, even the Katan silk saris, you can wear even for not the zari one, but the normal ones like these ones. You can even think of going to the
Okay, so
normal.
so according to you, which
Yeah.
event would be perfect for the sarees?
See, like if it's not your family function, and if you are going to some some
Relative or
evening
something.
party, yeah, or some maybe housewarming or some of those kind of gatherings, you can wear these sarees, and the colors are lighter in tone. Okay, now these are some nice sarees again. Formal wear. It's pure Munga silk sari, and this is pure tussar with the cut work. If you see, these are the sari. They have done the cut work, and then they have done the embroidery. It's really beautiful. Now let's see. We have some Bandhani sari collection. It's called Bandhani Gharchola. We have done it in three color dye.
These are the bandhani options.
Yeah, these are Bandhani options. Bandhani saris, all hand Bandhani, pure
Such a pretty
Georgette.
pink.
Yes. Now this is something again a fusion. It's an exclusive piece. It's a Bandhani sari, and then they have done the French knot for the blouse piece. So which is really pretty. So it's really nice. Okay. Now I want to show this. This is something, color may not be very attractive for you, but something which I really like. This is a cotton paitni sari.
A
It's
cotton
fusion.
paitni.
Yes, it's
Wow.
a cotton paitni.
It would be very comfortable,
Yes.
right?
Yes. And the
Yes.
best part is that they have done, if you see, the pallu. See, it's a paitni sari. And what then we have got it done is we have done the kalamkari work done on it. See, this is the border.
Wow. So beautiful and
Okay.
refreshing.
And it comes with the contrast blouse piece, which is in red color.
Okay. So that's the sari.
The sari is the blue,
And this is the blouse.
yes, and the pallu is the
And the pallu
Parrot.
is the parrot
parrot
green.
green. Yes, see, which is really nice. So it's a fusion of two art forms. Now this is something which we call Kanjipuram sarees. We have a huge collection on website. Here we are just showcasing 2-3 sarees. Uh, this comes with a 2 gram zari, 3 gram gold zari. So depending on that the prices. The price of the Kanjipuram sarees, it starts from 10-11,000. It goes up to 40-50,000. That's what we have in our range. Like this is again a pastel Kanjipuram saree. This is a fusion of Kanjivaram and Ikat.
Okay, so
The
that's the
border is
ikat and
Kanji.
the kanjivaram,
Yes,
right? Ikat, the ikat.
it's a Pochampalli Ikat.
And
this is the Kanjivaram sari.
border in two shades, the
Yes.
blue and pink.
Yes,
Very pretty.
it's very pretty.
It's very pretty.
Again, a nice collection, which is these are Leheria saris on pure silk with the gotapatti work.
Such an awesome gotapatti.
Yes. What we have done over here is that we have done the Leheria work on the pure silk first and then got the gotapatti work done. And it's again a shaded one. So we have 3/4. This is gotapatti on the organza with the digital print. So it's again a fusion of two sides.
And now Leria is in trend, so you can wear
I
and flaunt more.
I really find that Gotapati looks very
Yeah,
nice.
it looks
See this
very
one.
elegant.
Look at the color.
See the work.
Wow, awesome.
Now if you want a low range gotapatti, so then just like it's on pure Georgette. Good for the kind of festivals which are
Festival
upcoming and weddings,
Weddings.
and yes, the season is going on. This is again a chiffon with a nice gotapatti work.
So lightweight and easy to wear.
It's more for the youth because they don't want to wear heavy saris, so they would prefer to wear a lightweight sari which make them to look slim. I feel. They anyways ask me
And
that
blue
too.
color, any which ways, is a very
Yes.
awesome color.
So I think so. This is good for now, and we'll show you some other collection tomorrow. Again, we'll come live. We'll show you the collection of the fabrics, the dupattas, what we have in our collection. Some suits are there, which I'm sure you will love to see them. So stay tuned. Hope you like it. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye, thank you.